condition. Yeah, man, people. So let's go and stay tuned. Watch how go on. So maybe when I go and say, see where we come from, my people. See it? See where we come from, and see him like what you say. One done situation. See that? And these people are collect rent for. See that? I may have to bitch up them prison people. Look at see that? Look there. Yeah, man, that's where I come from, people. So that's why we have to give thanks for Papi and Colaz, brother. I tell you the truth, because to whisper my reach I know. I have to give thanks. See that, people? I have to bitch up them places and people still collect rent. That I try to show you. See it? All of them, look there. See how we spot that? Yes, so the fridge is there. As me tell them, say, I don't in some sun drop. You see? Don't in some sun drop, as you can see. So some of the time, not sure we not come showing up on media, certain things. But life never stable one way. But we still let that fear go on, you know? Yeah, man, that's where I come from, people. That's what you can see it? Yeah, so. See that, people? Look, see it? Yeah, so where I come from. You never really stay so when me there night in the people, but show me left out there so long and the one bag of they breathe sitting them, see it? But yeah, so where I come from, people. Look there. See it? Yeah, so where I come from, look. See it, people? Yeah, so where I come from. So man maybe say, yeah, J-Bud, life was good now. Yeah, so where I come from, but you wouldn't really come from media. Come show up certain things, but you know, yeah, so me have to bitch up with them ply, that's when I go down to wall, see there? Right there, so where I come from, right back out the door. Right back out the door, as you can see. As me tell them, so Friday, me hear same people, them I come tell us, say, them want rent. As me, all of them places. As me tell the people, I saw you did stay when me in it, but see there, all of them places, look. So through me left out here so long, when the leaf them blow, it just come inside, see there? As you can see it there. See it there. At this them are still a come bother me about rent for. See there? See that whole place. Yeah, I know stay good, watch it. Be a wall. Be a wall. And then they say when rain fall, all of them places are run. See there? Watch it. Go there, right back out the door, people. As me tell you, say, a man maybe say, see there? Right back out the door. Abandoned situation, same way. See there? Look at it, people. Yeah, somebody there. I'm going to show you what we did there. Yeah, so we did there. And people are collect rent for, see there? I'm going to put up all this up in the top, people. Yeah. So as me hear one dance saying I want to fix up nobody place, a serious thing in matter, because as much as you see me there, I could have fixed you up. But as me tell you, say me just start with a couple zinc pan and sit and when me take a start then come down for me, I have to pay rent. So I couldn't go no further. See there? Whole place around a mess, people. But true me tell you, as me come out, so long me come out there, so the leaf blowing people, because see there? Way up there, so see there? Nowhere, so the leaf blow inside people and dip on the ground. All kind of breeze, hurricane, they blow and they all them sitting there, some people. So, you know? Yeah, man, so I'm going to put up all them. I'm not sealing the body there. I'm going to put up all them ceiling there and sitting there. I'll be telling them, say, rent, same way. See that? All this. Touch them start ball out, them want rent and then want to trouble them place and next stay and collect rent. I make it look buy all I paint, everything I have to buy. You know what I have to do that, people. I say people, instead of going to look through window and see people wearing it terrible. And then at the end of the day, them tell us, say, yeah, them are Christian and well holy. Them holy. All I encourage you to come to church and you see what? And them sitting there and show the people. Go there. Whole place underneath. I say, who are them places? I saw you stay people. I have to use things to cover them up. See? Whole of them places there. So I tell you, say I have to give Poppy and Colaz, because I'll be telling you, I never did plan to start a channel. And one night Poppy just say, yo, make me bake one banana bread. And Poppy said, lend me your phone. But then Poppy tasted, Poppy said, lend me your phone. And by the time I give him back my phone, upon YouTube I find myself, people. So at that man I try to show you, say, one of them place of people. I'll drop to show you people. See that? All of them people, see that? I may put big plier, I may put big bowl on it. See that? Watch that. Just look what I show you people. I saw it stay. I saw it stay, people. This is how it stay. This is how it stay, people, as me I tell you now. Some people still come and say they want rent, they want this, they want that. I'm going to show you. Yeah, man, this was my living condition. But not true, me not come for me that can talk or can show. But this was it. I know say me couldn't do better, but you can't trouble people place. And you never reach the mortgage where you want to reach to start build your own place. Yeah, man, so I say me have to give Poppy and Colaz. Yeah, man, I have to rate them, brother. Because as I mentioned, Poppy do it. And when Poppy build the channel, Poppy share out it at the same time to not each. Same time, Billy. Same time he share out on the channel. And then time I never have not even one video upon it. But he just Billy and share it. See? Terrible people. The people them I see them one down on bus people, as you can see, bus in a tool like this. As me tell you, so them I call it, they want rent for this. I tell you. So pour me the follow me full senses now and go start work on this place, you know what that happen. As me tell you, so I just the bed bottom I just me show people that alone in the house and them I tell me say rent same way. And look on the condition, people. Me buy brand new toilet bowl and me fix up the toilet just because as me tell you say breeze blow on everything and zinc gone all the bush and sitting. That's why when him they eat it, Ivan, and then you have Sandy come and lick you again. So I'm gonna show you people, and one of the family members tell me say J-Bud. Say J-Bud zinc. Say if you can get on some zinc on it, you can stay, you can find a little space where you can stay in it. That is how me go ahead and do it, and then me hear them and say no. They want rent. And to then they want to start off rent with that with big rent than they want, but me just see that listen for you what them are come with. People. That's how we are come from, people, as you can see. Yeah, man, that's where we are come from. Yeah. That's how we are come from, people. Come on, people, so I hit this, you know. This was the next part, people, where I come from, you know. This is around the room, people, as you can see. And I'm telling the people, so the people them still did a collect rent as you see what I go on. I'm going to tell you. That's one of the main reasons why I push me to again because to the condition of the inner. And they still do that collect rent, people, so I hate this people. People, as you can see, just the emotion. And I make people, I can't stop it. Just to see where I come from, to where I then home. And I like a mere these people that I see feelings come down on me. I see feelings. Those are feelings, people, guys.